Urhobo onane unyunure ibiebe vibieta urhobo. Are ibiebe vibietare urhobo nane ibiebe vibietare oyibore. Ibiebe na kena A B D E F G H I J K L M N O P R C T U V W Y Z. Vivre ibiebe ujegbiyanrina ewuriwe urhobo. Ikpegberin ibietaranko. Igwen kera ibietarufo. Ibietaranko na kena B D F G H J K L M N P R C T V W Y Z. Ibietaruho kena A E I O U. Wado. I want to thank you specially for watching this video. Please do well to subscribe, like, and share my videos. I will be bringing more videos on lectures in Urhobo. You must have discovered that in the course of treating the letters of the Urhobo alphabet, the letter C was omitted. That is because in Urhobo, the letter C does not exist as a letter, as a single letter, but it exists with the letter H in double consonant cluster. Thank you.